Failure is the mother of success, and I'm going to tell you why. So when people ask me how did I start, what was my first product? This was my first product. I was so excited about the product. I was actually excited about the business, but as an entrepreneur, you get caught up in things. Great success and a great failure, but it was a great lesson. This is the combo bottle. I came up with this bottle with the co-founders, and basically it is a shampoo bottle on top, so you could wash the dog, and then you pull the bottom off, and then there's a spray. And so much time and effort went into this bottle. It took like 9 months or a year to get started, which was terrible. I spent a lot of money on the molding and the tooling of this product. I got caught up in the idea of this bottle and away from a great product. So what happened? I went to my first trade show, SuperZoo. When I rented the scanner and returned it, the woman was blown away. I had the most scans at the show. I had like 700 scans, and during the show I had 5 people deep in my booth, and everyone's smelling the product and loved the product, and I met new stores, and I sold this into about 400 pet stores. And then after that, guess what happened? Crickets. Barely got any reorders. Nobody cared about this. Why? Nobody wanted to buy ketchup and mustard in the same bottle. I separated the products. That's when the company started to take off.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Now people have the option to buy just shampoo or just spray. And I think it's a really good lesson. And here's the lesson if you're an entrepreneur at home. There's actually 2 lessons here. One is really think, do I have a great product? Am I doing something wrong? Or is it just a bad product? Because many times after that show, I saw other people that were kind of starting like me, and they didn't have good products, but they were trying to convince people they had good products. So I knew I had a great product, which was the shampoo and the spray, but I had the wrong packaging. This product was confusing the people. They never saw it. Some people then pulled this off and like would go like this. I don't know why, but that's what they did. It's just a really good lesson that you need to move on from your losses quickly in business when you're an entrepreneur, and not trying to pound bad ideas down people's throats, because it'll just never work. And that's how you avoid failure.